Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wished for a lipstick that doesn't just give you stunning color, but also actually treats your lips while you're wearing it? Well, today, I've got something that might just hit the mark. Butter London's Plush Rush Satin Matte Lipstick in the shade Fired Up. It's a plumping, moisturizing formula that promises to not only give your lips a bold pop of color, but also leave them looking firmer, smoother, and better defined. Sounds too good to be true? Let's find out. First, let's take a look at what Butter London is offering here. This lipstick is designed to deliver a plush satin matte finish, combining the boldness of matte with the smooth, moisturizing feel that you would typically expect from a cream lipstick. What really stands out, though, is its unique plumping complex. The formula is infused with ingredients that are supposed to plump your lips while making them feel nourished and hydrated throughout the day. Plus, it promises to make your lips firmer and smoother, which is a definite win if you have concerns about dry or chapped lips. I started by testing this lipstick first thing in the morning, applying it after my regular lip prep. The creamy texture glided on effortlessly, and the color payoff was immediate. The shade Fired Up is a fiery red with just the right balance of warmth and depth. Not too orange, not too cool, and perfect for making a statement without being over the top. But I was most interested in how it felt and performed throughout the day. For the first few hours, it felt incredibly comfortable. The creamy formula didn't dry down to a stiff matte finish, which is a common issue with other matte lipsticks. Instead, it maintained that soft, smooth feel. I did notice a subtle plumping effect, though it wasn't as dramatic as some lip glosses or serums. My lips looked a bit fuller, but it was more of a natural plump rather than the intense, instantly noticeable kind. Still, I appreciated that the lipstick didn't dry out my lips, which is usually a concern with matte formulas. I also tested its longevity. The lipstick held up reasonably well through light eating and drinking, but it wasn't completely transfer-proof, which is something to keep in mind if you need something that lasts through a long, busy day without touch-ups. But even after fading a little, it left behind a nice stain, so I didn't feel like I needed to reapply immediately. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Fired Up shade is absolutely stunning and universally flattering, especially if you're looking for a bold red with a touch of sophistication. The creamy texture is a definite highlight. It's smooth, not too slippery, and provides just the right amount of hydration without being too shiny. The plumping effect is subtle but nice, and the fact that it moisturizes while also defining the lips is a great bonus for anyone with dry lips. On the downside, while the color payoff is great, I wouldn't call this lipstick transfer-proof. And if you're looking for something that stays put through everything, you might be a little disappointed. Also, the plumping effect, though visible, is not as intense as some other lip products out there that promise more dramatic results. In terms of value, this lipstick is priced at a premium, which is fairly typical for Butter London. It's definitely on the higher end of the scale compared to drugstore brands, but you're getting a quality product that feels luxurious and performs well. The moisturizing properties and plumping action are solid, and if you're someone who values those features alongside a beautiful, smooth matte finish, it could definitely be worth the investment. If you're on the hunt for something more budget-friendly, I'd recommend looking into lipsticks from brands like Maybelline or NYX, which also offer comfortable, long-lasting formulas, though without the plumping complex. But if you're willing to splurge a little for the added benefits, Butter London is offering a well-rounded product here. So, who is this lipstick best for? If you love bold, satin matte finishes, and you're tired of lipsticks that dry out your lips or leave you with uncomfortable flaky color, this might be your new go-to. It's also perfect for anyone who wants that plumping effect without using a gloss or serum. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've tried Butter London's Plush Rush Satin Matte Lipstick, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.